Uber Eats said they can deliver me a cold burger with soggy fries in an hour for $30. But I just made it in my air fryer for $5 in under 20 minutes, and it's hot, fresh, and the fries are actually crispy. Yay! We're starting with the real MVP, the bacon. Lay a couple of strips into a cold air fryer basket. No need to preheat. Now, set it to 375, and when you hear that beep telling you it's preheated, it's time to flip those strips. From here, you only need another 2 to 5 minutes. I'm using thick cut bacon, so I gave it the full 5. Crispy, golden, and ready to crown our burger. Now crank that air fryer up to 385. We're shifting into burger mode. While it heats, let's get that patty ready. Season generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder on both sides. Or go wild with your favorite spice blend. Toss your burger and frozen fries in the air fryer, 8 to 10 minutes. At the halfway mark, flip that burger and give those fries a shake. While that magic's happening, it's the perfect time to prep your toppings. Slice up some tomatoes, onions, whatever you love, and smash that like and subscribe button. It's free, unlike delivery. And now back to our regularly scheduled program. In the last 30 seconds, toss your bun and add a slice of cheese. Press that cheese down gently so it don't go skydiving in the air fryer. Boom. Burger's done. If your fries need a little extra crisp, just leave them in while we get this masterpiece assembled. Alright, moment of truth. Let's cut into this beast. Look at that. Perfectly cooked, the cheese is melted, that bacon still crispy. This isn't fast food, this is real food, and you just made it in under 20 minutes. So, let's recap. Hot, fresh, juicy bacon cheeseburger, crispy fries, zero delivery drama, all for about $5. Meanwhile, Uber Eats wants 30 to drop off a cold soggy mess. Yeah, I think I'm gonna stick to the air fryer. Thanks for watching Mikey Conquers the Kitchen, and check back later this week. I've got some great new air fryer magic coming your way.